Arguably one of my favorite exercises, dad cough is a simple but effective way to get a deeper, more masculine sounding cough. First, choose a target pitch lower in your voice. Say ah on that pitch. Ah. Now say ah on your target pitch while making a yawning shape in the back of your throat. This will create a lower, darker sound. Ah. And then add a cough immediately after the sound. So it's keeping your mouth in that yawning shape as you do it. Now the tricky part. Try coughing and making the sound at the same time. The goal is to maintain the lower resonance while coughing. Maybe don't practice this at the dinner table.
Cough.